What if your device doesn't support a VPN app? No worries, here are 2 ways to share a VPN connection. 1. Share a VPN connection through an Ethernet cable. Before you start, make sure to connect your Windows PC to your network using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Also, disconnect from NordVPN. You will turn it back on in a moment. First, open the Network and Internet settings by right-clicking the network icon in the System tray and selecting Open Network and Internet Settings. Then, in the Network and Internet settings, change Adapter Options. You will see all the network interfaces that you have. There should be at least 3 interfaces. Right-click the TAP-NordVPN Windows adapter and select Properties. After adjusting the adapter, you will need to switch to the matching protocol within the NordVPN app. Next, open the Sharing tab and enable Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Select the name of the network interface that you will share the connection with. Click OK. Connect the desired device to your PC using an Ethernet cable. Once the Ethernet interface tries to identify the connection, connect to the NordVPN server. Method number 2. Share a VPN via a mobile hotspot on Windows 10. First, go to Settings and select Network and Internet. Then click Mobile Hotspot. Select Wi-Fi and enable Mobile Hotspot. Then go to Settings. Select Network and Internet. And click Change Adapter Options. Right-click on TAP NordVPN Windows Adapter and select Properties. Again, after adjusting the adapter, you will need to switch to the corresponding protocol within the NordVPN app. Then select the Sharing tab and check the box that says Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. From the drop-down menu, select the hotspot you've just created. You can find its name above the adapter tagged as Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter. That's it. Enjoy a shared VPN connection.